This is insane. 5 AI tools that can replace an entire office team. Number 1, ChatGPT. This AI writer can write blog posts, reports, even social media captions. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. Number 2, Grammarly Go. This AI can draft entire emails for you and rewrite your text in any tone you want. It's like having a personal copy editor who works instantly. Number 3, Trello with AI Butler. This AI project manager can assign tasks, set deadlines, and even generate checklists. It's like having an assistant who helps you stay organized and never misses a deadline. Number 4, Gamma. App. This AI presentation maker can generate beautiful professional presentations in minutes. It's like having a personal designer who works 24/7. Number 5, Otter. AI. This AI meeting assistant can take notes for you and highlight important points. It's like having a personal note taker who never misses a thing. And the best part, they're all free. If you found this useful, subscribe for more AI tips.